Dealing with WSL register distribution error 0x80370102 in Windows 11. Here are 3 quick fixes to resolve the issue. At first, right-click on the Windows icon and tap on Shut Down or Sign Out. After that, tap on Restart to restart your system. During the restart, when the manufacturer logo shows up, press and hold the Delete key on your keyboard to access the BIOS settings. Once the BIOS window opens up, go to the Advanced tab *. Next, use the arrows on your keyboard to select the Virtualization from the list and set it to Enabled. Again, press the key that is associated with it to save the settings. After that, select Yes to finally save and exit the BIOS settings on your computer. At first, press the Windows key and the R keys together. Then, type Optional Features and click on OK to open the Windows Features window. When the Windows Features opens up, scroll down to HyperV. Just check the box beside HyperV. Then, tap on OK to enable the HyperV features. Now, Windows will download and apply this feature to your system. This process may take a while. Once you are done, tap on Close to close the window. Now restart your computer once to let these changes take effect. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.